Good morning, traders. I'm Michael Sabo, Senior Commodities Broker with RJO Futures, here on Tuesday, August 13th, with some commentary here in the energy markets. So let's get right into it here. Crude prices right now kind of unchanged. We've been a little two-sided here on the overnight. Right now, September oil trading right around 106. Brent's just a touch firmer at around 109.38. That's up about 40 cents. Taking a look at the complex, kind of quiet there a little bit. Nat gas, it's down just a little bit. We're trading around 328, off about 3 cents. And in the RBOB here, we're up there. We're up just over 2 cents right now, trading around 292.75. Heat's a little firmer as well, around 303.83. That's up about 175 roughly. So kind of quiet here for the most part on the overnight. Oil prices here did get up to a high today of around 107.20, and that's off the recent lows. If we look back over the chart, we did get down to around 102.22. And if you recall from some of my prior posts there, we were kind of targeting that 102 area after the market made a double top. Prices kind of came down. We were targeting around that 102, kind of bounced up out of there, and we've seen, a little bit of a rally up. And some of that's had to do with here some recent news coming out here. There's been a threat of some supply disruptions in Libya. Seems their production is kind of slowing down there a little bit. Also, some issues with oil flowing from Iraq or to Turkey. There's been some problems there with some of the pipelines. So we have seen a little bit of supply disruption, but I think, you really still want to focus on the bigger global picture. I still think there's some fear premium, obviously, in the market due to things going on in the Middle East, not just the things I mentioned, but also take a look at Syria, problems that they're still having there, no doubt even in Egypt, and just the different unrest that we're seeing over there. But again, when you take a look at the economic data here in the States, still, as I've mentioned time after time, it's sluggish. You get some good reports, you get some bad reports, and it just appears the market's kind of skidding along the bottom. China still appears to be slowing down, although same thing there. You get a little bit of good news out and then some bad news. Europe still appears to be a mess. So bottom line is, you've really still got a big question mark as it comes to the demand side of things. We'll take a look at inventory numbers that are going to be coming out here tomorrow. Right now, it looks like we could possibly see a decline. Market doesn't appear to be too excited about that. Looking at the technical side of it, we were a little bit overbought here recently, and we're kind of now, in my opinion, more in a neutral area right now in the technical indicators, but I still think prices are going to be heading lower. I think that's the overall trend there, even after this recent upward move. I think the market's going to hit some resistance up around this 106, 107 area. I think we're going to see prices start moving on back down to target again that 102 and then possibly $100 a barrel. Now, unless we get a surprise out in the inventory numbers or we get some real bullish news coming out, I think that's overall where prices will be heading. So that's the area that we want to keep an eye on. If you're long in the market here, obviously, and you've rode this up here, be cautious here at these areas. Or if you're thinking about getting short, give me a call. I got some ideas and some strategies that we can look to play. Keep in mind that futures trading does involve a substantial amount of risk. It may not be suitable for all traders. Good luck and good trading.